Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm looking at the US Top 40. My next one is Miles on It by Marshmello and Kane, song number 16. And then my next one after that is going to be Die With A Smile, Lady Gaga, Bruno Mars. I like that one. Stay tuned for the next one. But today, Miles on It. So when you look up that song, the chords you get on guitar, ultimate guitar, is wrong. They are wrong. It's not in G. It's not G, D, B minor, A. Song's in B flat. So the chords you need are B flat, F, D minor, and C. What's the first line? It is new truck, big lift, old roads we've been, turn up since way back when, but these wheels are innocent. Big wheels, big rift, D minor, tearing up since way back when, but these wheels are innocent. New hitch, new seats, no history, D minor, and you just can't fake that, so let's change that. And then we go into the chorus. Now I think in the chorus, it's the same four chords written on the website, but having listened to it, I don't think it goes B flat, F, D minor, C. I think the C and the D minor are flipped in the chorus. Let me know what you think. Here's it with the same four. Girl, let's put some miles on it. Back up the Chevy with the engine running, just you and me. So that's D minor to C. In a truck bed wide like a California king. We can break it in if you know what I mean. Now I'm going to flip the C into D minor. I think it sounds more like the track. Having listened to it is what I think it does. Miles on it, back up the Chevy, C. The engine running, just you and me. Sorry, that stays on F. Just you and, let's do it again. Put some miles on it, back up the Chevy with the engine running, just you and me. In a truck bed wide like a California king. We can break it in if you know what I mean. So I just think those are flipped the other way around. So B flat, F, C to D minor in the chorus. And then for the verse, back to the original B flat, F, D minor, C. All tail, no brakes. All tail, no gate. Ain't gotta try too hard. My baby's push to start. I'll talk full speed, off road on me. 0 to 100 fast. My foot ain't touching gas. Said, hey baby, slow it down. Let's make it last. He said, where's the fun in that? Yeah, let's go. Put some miles on it. Back up the Chevy with the engine running. Just you and me. Maybe it does that the first time in the chorus. Maybe the first time is the original. Then it flips them. In a truck bed wide like a California king. We can break it down if you know what I mean. Put some miles. It would just give the song a bit more of a push there. Just flip those two. Maybe it does alternate, you know. D minor, then C, and then the second time D, C, and then D minor, and then back to D minor, C, C, and then D minor, etc., etc. And then bridges, mile after mile after mile after mile, turn up the night like the radio dial, shoulder to shoulder where nobody knows. We know where we're going, we ain't going home. That's the bridge, same chords. Mile after mile after mile after mile, turn up the night like the radio dial, shoulder to shoulder where nobody knows. Can't remember the melody, but know where we're going, ain't going home. Put some miles on it, back to the chorus. Just you and me. And that's the whole song. So just 4 chords. Nice and easy. And thanks for watching. And see you in the next one, which, as I said, is We're Gonna Die With A Smile. Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga. So stay tuned to Between the Keys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, all that good stuff. See you in the next one. Thanks.